Approaching a roundabout. When you approach a roundabout, you must use your indicator if you tend to turn left or run or make a U-turn at a roundabout. You must give other road users sufficient notice of your intent to turn. Entering a roundabout. When you are entering a roundabout, you must slow or stop to give way to any vehicle already in roundabout. You must also continue to your indicators if you intend to turn left or right or make a U-turn. Turning left. When turning left, you must indicate left-on approach and be traveling in left-hand lane. Unless there are road markings with other instructions, stay in left lane and exit in left lane. Turning right. When turning right, you must indicate right-on approach and be traveling in the right-hand lane. Unless there are road markings with their instructions. Making a U-turn. When using a roundabout to make a U-turn, you must approach in the right lane and signal right. Changing lanes in a roundabout. Drivers may change lanes in a roundabout if they wish. The usual road rules for changing lanes apply. You must use your indicator and give way to any vehicles in the lane you're entering. Going straight ahead. You don't need to signal when approaching the roundabout if you were going straight ahead. You may approach the roundabout from either the left or right lane unless there are road markings with other instructions. Exiting a roundabout. As when you exit a road, you must signal left when leaving a roundabout. If it's practical to do so, you should stop indicating as soon as you've exited the roundabout. However, when you are traveling ahead on a single lane roundabout, it may be impractical to indicate when exiting.